Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping what you need, because speed depends on organization. Once your skillet is hot, add butter or oil, let it shimmer but not smoke. Add the breadcrumbs in an even layer and stir immediately to coat. Keep the heat at medium, 2 hot burns, 2 low sogs. Stir every 20 to 30 seconds to toast evenly, and taste after a minute to decide if you want more color or seasoning. Once the crumbs begin to brown, focus on control. This step builds flavor. Keep stirring and lower heat if edges darken faster than the center. Add herbs or grated cheese near the end so they bloom without burning. This gives bright, fresh notes. If you want crispier texture, spread crumbs thinly on a tray after toasting. Make sure to taste for salt and acidity. A squeeze of lemon or pinch of salt can lift the whole mix. You finish by cooling the crumbs fully so steam doesn't soften them. Transfer to an airtight container. They stay good for about 2 weeks. When ready to use, recrisp briefly in a 350 degrees F oven for 3 to 5 minutes and toss onto your dish. If they taste burnt, don't try to mask bitterness. Start over, because burnt flavor lingers. If they're too soft, retoast gently. Make sure to monitor closely to avoid burning this time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.